Exploring South Red Deer, Alberta, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to the channel. Today, we will delve into South Red Deer, Alberta, a vibrant region that stands out for its diverse lifestyle options, abundant recreational opportunities, and strong sense of community. Nestled in central Alberta, South Red Deer is not just a place to live, it's a place to thrive. With its picturesque neighborhoods, access to beautiful parks, and a variety of amenities, this area appeals to families, young professionals, and retirees alike. Whether you are contemplating a move to South Red Deer or are simply curious about what this region has to offer, this comprehensive guide will equip you with valuable insights. From the charm of its established neighborhoods to the excitement of new developments, we will explore the features that make South Red Deer a desirable location. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems, local attractions, and community spirit that define life in this remarkable part of Alberta. Understanding South Red Deer. When discussing Red Deer, Alberta, it is crucial to clarify the terminology commonly used by locals. The city is typically divided into two main sections, North Red Deer and South Red Deer. This division is primarily based on the Red Deer River, which runs through the city. The south side of the river is known as South Red Deer, a designation that carries particular significance for residents and newcomers alike. South Red Deer is characterized by its diverse residential neighborhoods, each offering a unique blend of housing options, from modern developments to established communities. This area is not only a hub for families seeking a place to call home but also attracts young professionals and retirees, thanks to its appealing lifestyle and amenities. In addition to its residential appeal, South Red Deer boasts a variety of shopping centers that cater to everyday needs and leisure activities. From large retail chains to local boutiques, residents have access to a wide range of shopping options that enhance the convenience of living in the area. Moreover, South Red Deer is rich in recreational facilities, including parks, walking trails, and community centers. These amenities promote an active lifestyle and provide residents with opportunities to engage in outdoor activities, socialize with neighbors, and enjoy the natural beauty of the surroundings. Overall, South Red Deer is a well-rounded area that balances residential comfort with vibrant community life, making it an attractive option for those looking to settle in Alberta. Popular neighborhoods. South Red Deer is home to a variety of neighborhoods, each with its own character and amenities. Let us explore some of the most notable ones. West Park and West Lake. Starting in the southwest corner of the city, West Park and West Lake stand out as two prominent neighborhoods. West Park is an older neighborhood, popular for rentals due to its proximity to Red Deer College. This area attracts many students and young professionals. It features West Park Middle School, which is highly regarded by families looking for quality education. West Lake, on the other hand, is a newer development characterized by single-family detached homes. This neighborhood is known for its cleanliness and peaceful atmosphere. Both areas benefit from their closeness to Heritage Ranch, a fantastic park with walking trails that allow residents to enjoy the natural beauty of the region. Gates Avenue and shopping areas. Gates Avenue serves as a major north-south route through Red Deer, where you will find a range of dining and shopping options. South Point Common and Bower Mall are two key shopping destinations located at the southern end of Gates Avenue. South Point Common is known for its variety of stores, including popular retail brands like Walmart and Best Buy. In addition to these malls, Gasoline Alley, located just outside the city, offers further shopping options such as Costco and Staples. This area serves residents who prefer to live near the conveniences of urban shopping without being directly in the city. Older neighborhoods, Sunnybrook and Grandview. For those interested in older homes, the neighborhoods of Sunnybrook and Grandview are noteworthy. Sunnybrook is recognized for its mature trees and spacious lots, making it a desirable area for families. The homes here range from the 1940s to the 1990s, providing a variety of architectural styles. Grandview and Mount View also feature older homes and well-established communities, with easy access to beautiful walking trails along Piper Creek. These trails are a major draw for residents who enjoy outdoor activities. New developments in Southeast Red Deer. Moving to the southern border of the city, you will find newer neighborhoods such as Southbrook and Inglewood. These areas are family-friendly, featuring parks and recreational facilities ideal for outdoor activities. For families, the presence of schools and community centers enhances the appeal of living here. The Calicut Center, located in the southeast, is a significant hub for sports and recreation, offering ice rinks, gyms, and running tracks. This center is conveniently situated between two high schools, making it an attractive option for families with teenagers. Amenities and recreation. South Red Deer boasts numerous amenities that cater to various interests. Recreation centers. The G.W. Harris Recreation Center, built for the Canada Winter Games, is a highlight. It features modern sports facilities, including indoor running tracks and gyms. Parks. The area is home to several parks that provide scenic walking trails. Heritage Ranch offers not just trails but also a restaurant and opportunities for outdoor activities, making it a favorite among locals. Dog parks. For pet owners, the Oxbow Off-Leash Dog Park is a great place for dogs to run and socialize freely. Transportation and accessibility. Convenient access to major highways is another advantage of living in South Red Deer. Highway 2 connects residents to nearby towns and cities, facilitating easy commuting for work or leisure. Community and lifestyle. Living in South Red Deer provides residents with a strong sense of community, making it an appealing choice for many. The area features a diverse array of neighborhoods, each catering to different lifestyles and preferences. Whether you are drawn to the modern vibrancy of new developments or the historical charm of established areas, South Red Deer offers a place where everyone can find their niche. Community events. One of the standout features of South Red Deer is its active community engagement. The city hosts a variety of community events throughout the year, from seasonal festivals and farmers markets to cultural celebrations and holiday gatherings. These events provide an excellent opportunity for residents to connect with their neighbors, fostering a sense of belonging and camaraderie. Participating in local events allows residents to explore the area, meet new people, and enjoy the unique character of South Red Deer. Such gatherings often include activities for all ages, ensuring that families and individuals alike can find something enjoyable to participate in. Local businesses. Supporting local businesses is another defining aspect of life in South Red Deer. The area features a vibrant mix of chain stores and unique local shops, contributing to a robust local economy. Residents take pride in patronizing these businesses, which range from cozy cafes and artisan bakeries to boutiques and specialty shops. This support not only helps sustain the local economy but also promotes a sense of community by encouraging personal connections between business owners and customers. Local businesses often participate in community events, further enhancing the feeling of interconnectedness within the area. Whether it's a local artist showcasing their work at a community fair or a restaurant offering samples during a neighborhood event, these interactions help to cultivate a rich local culture that residents cherish. South Red Deer, Alberta, is a dynamic and thriving area that offers a wide range of living options, recreational activities, and opportunities for community engagement. Whether you are drawn to the modern developments in the southeast or the charming, established neighborhoods in the southwest, this region truly has something to suit every lifestyle and preference. Families will appreciate the abundance of parks and schools, while young professionals can benefit from the convenient access to shopping and dining options. For those who enjoy outdoor activities, the numerous walking trails and recreational facilities provide a perfect backdrop for an active lifestyle. The community spirit in South Red Deer is strong, with local events and activities that foster connections among residents, making it easy to feel at home. If you found this guide helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about living in Alberta. Your engagement helps us create content that meets your interests and needs. Please leave your comments below. We would love to hear your thoughts, questions, or any specific topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue exploring the best of what Alberta has to offer.